So after we have done the defined understanding the training concept, what are the content that we are training? For the initial training program, usually we provide the company knowledge, we provide the product knowledge, we provide the knowledge of the industry competitors. In company knowledge, you are giving usually the policies, the benefits, the office protocol, payment method, expense accounts, and the communication channel being followed in the company. So these are very basic information which every salesperson is normally getting when they are hired initially. Then they are also getting the industry trends, customer product knowledge, and also highlight the advantages of our own products compared to the other industries. In terms of product knowledge, they are understanding what are the rooms that we have, what are the events, what are the targeted customers, and what are their buying process, how they affect, how our products are helping the customers, what are the major competitors and advantages, strength and weakness of our products. So these are initial training program contents that usually we are training to our salespeople at the time of orientation, at the time of when they start the job for the first time. The continuous training programs will have a different content. So it will maybe on the customer market knowledge, it can be on the training technology. Then they need to know the customer market, they need to understand become a team coordinator, stay in contact with the customers and technologies, and also the selling skills. So how do we do the prospecting, how do we plan the sales call, how do we approach the prospects, how do we make a sales presentation, how do we meet the objections from the customers, how do we close the sales. So these are the topics that usually are continuously teach on to the salespeople, because of the continuous changes in technology, continuous changes in customer behaviors, and continuous change in the products and services. So these trainings are usually continued to a longer period of time. Now we need to decide what is the delivery decisions, how are we going to deliver the training. So in delivering the training, usually you will ask to make following decisions. Who will be conducting the training? It's gonna be an internal trainer, gonna be an external trainer, it will be an expert, it will be external expert, or gonna be doing by the salesperson. Whom is it will be for? It will be an individual training or it's gonna be a group training. How we will do the training? It's gonna be a classroom workshop, on the job training. They have to go outside to a university to read it. How they will do it, where and when it will take place also need to be decided. Responsibility for training. Who is responsible? What are the responsibility of trainings? So the line sales executives, usually the senior sales people, supervisors, they will need to train their newly staff trainers. The staff trainers usually will be the member of the HR department, the personnel production department, and they are hired especially to conduct the sales training programs. So there are usually not in the hotels, usually you will not have the staff trainers. You will have mostly the outside training consultants or the internal sales line staff members who are going to train. So there are outside training consultants, usually a lot of them, they will be training about motivation, the leading salespeople, sales forecasting, prospecting, upselling. So there are a lot of training skills that are taught by the outside consultants. There are two type of training programs usually, group and individual training programs. So group instruction method can be in the form of lectures, group discussions, conferencing, e-learning, games, demonstrations and role playing. While the individual instruction methods are usually on the job training, personal conference, we give them the reads, manual, workbooks, we give them the DVD, we let them do the e-learning program, we let them do the computer based training programs, or